Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to delete all promotion emails from Gmail at once. So if you have a bunch of promotional emails on your Gmail and you want to delete all of them at once or one time, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you find this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to delete all promotion emails in Gmail at once, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Gmail application. Then click on the menu icon at the top left. Locate and click on promotions. Then here you should see all your promotional emails. So these are all the email you have in the promotion box. Now, to delete all of this email at once, all you need to do is locate one of the promotional emails and then press and hold it. Then once you press and hold it, choose select all at the top left. Then this is going to select at least 100 or 50 promotional emails. So scroll down again, click on select all. Scroll down again, click on select all. Keep scrolling until you select all the promotional emails. So just keep selecting. Now, once you're done selecting all the promotional emails, go ahead and click on delete at the top right just before the envelope. Then just say deleted. Now click on the menu button at the top left again, scroll down, come to bin, click on it, then click on empty bin now. Then should say 99 plus conversion will be permanently deleted. So go ahead and click on empty. Then hang on, then you should see nothing in the bin. Now come back to your promotions. Then you should see some other promotional email as well. Repeat the same thing and then delete all of them. So just need to keep repeating this until all the promotional emails are then deleted. And then you're good. So that's exactly how to delete promotion emails in Gmail at once. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.